I'll summarize it in 5 pillars. So one core element of the operating model is the decision architecture. So does everybody know who makes the decision and what the authority rights are? So that's the first one. The second one, I would say, is data and information flow. Who owns that element of data? I've been in many companies where finance is saying they own something and the delivery team say they own the same number, for example. You don't have one version of the truth. The next thing I think about is process integration. So that is, how is the workload moving, not just within a function, but across functions as well? Again, what you're trying to do is make everything very efficient, and you want to avoid any sort of duplication of effort. The other thing I would say is control and governance. You've got to have a matrix in place, a structure in place, so we know, or you know, if it's, say, for example, this invoice is this value, who signs it off? Or if this decision needs to be made, who approves it? Or how many people sign that off? And then the final thing I think about is, has the company got that capacity for change? For example, transformation. If you're undergoing a project, will that succeed or fail? Sometimes you can see that before you actually implement. Yeah. If you implement in AI, will that succeed or fail? If you buy a new company, will that integrate seamlessly and be successful? But I think those are probably the 5 pillars that I consider when I'm thinking about the operating model.